Hello students, so today we will continue self practice 9b. So in the last class we have discussed about the angles formed by transversal. So we have discussed about the alternate angles, we have discussed about the corresponding angles, we have discussed about the cointerior angles. Okay, so this time for the second theoretical test exam we have to give the assignment for the maths. So in the assignment, see what you have to do this time. See, so in the assignment this time, what you have to do, you have to solve the model test paper 1 based on chapters 1 to 8. So this C model test paper 1 based on chapters 1 to 8 that you have to solve and you have to submit it in the assignment. This is the second theoretical test as assignment. So prepare it, do it. When it will be asked, then you have to submit in the school. What model test papers? See, the questions are there, 9 questions are there that you have to solve it. This one model test paper 1, and beside that, what you have to do, the other thing, you have to write the all prime numbers between 1 to 100, all prime numbers between 1 to 100, and you have to write the all the squares and cube of natural numbers, all the squares and cube of natural numbers 1 to 30. So from natural numbers 1 to 30, you have to write the squares and cube of all the natural numbers between 1 to 30. So first you solve the model test paper 1. Second, you have to write all the prime numbers between 1 to 100. And third, you have to write all the squares and cubes of the natural number 1 to 30. Okay, so this is the assignment that you have to do. So you submit it in a, you can take a small copy, you can take in which there is the less number of pages, or 5 rupees copies you can purchase. So in that you write it and submit it. Okay, this assignment where you write, either you can submit it, you can purchase a copy of 5 rupees copies or 10 rupees copies. In that you write it and submit it, or also you can write on a paper, you can take a sheet of paper, and that also you can write, and by punching it you can submit it. So whatever the options available, whatever the resource available at your home, in that you have to do this assignment, and when it will be asked, you have to submit in the school. Okay, so as today there is a problem of the marker, today my marker is not working, so today we cannot continue the exercises of the self practice 9b. So tomorrow I will start this self practice 9b. Okay, so this is all for today. Thank you for your kind attention.